Hello. In this video, we will learn about Sparklines in Excel.
Sparklines are tiny charts that can show trends in data. So they are a bit different from the regular charts we use. Unlike charts, sparklines reside inside cells themselves. So here we got some products of a company and the sales values for different months, the revenue in US dollar thousands up to December, from Jan to December. So let's say we want to see the first products trend during the months of the year. So let's say here I want to see the trend. So there are several ways to insert sparklines. I can go into insert, and here next to charts you'll see sparklines. So I will select, there are three types of sparklines: line, column, and win-loss. So I will select line, and now it's asking me what is the data range. So I will select the data range like this, and I have to give the location where I want the sparkline to be placed. So I'm already on that cell, so I leave it as it is and say OK. So now I see I have got a sparkline inserted, so I can see the trend. So basically it has gone up and down and like that. If I want sparklines for the other products, I can just copy it down like this by dragging. So it will copy down like this. And also when I select the sparklines, you see there's a sparkline tab that gets activated. So from here, I can change the sparkline type. Now I have column, now I have line. I can change it to column or win-loss. So win-loss is actually useful when you want to highlight negative and positive values. So here all the values are positive. So we'll still use the line type here. And here we have some other options. We can highlight the high point. Like here, we got high points located. We got the high points highlighted here with the red dots. I can also have low points. So low points will be highlighted. Negative points, first point, like that. There are different markers we can use. And we have different styles we can use. So we can change the styles. And we can change color from here. So colors can be changed. So now if I could try to delete this, with the delete key, I can't delete them. So to remove sparklines, you need to go to again the sparkline tab and go to here, clear, and click on clear selector sparklines. So I will select all of these, clear, and they disappear. So you can also highlight the whole data like this and go to insert and sparkline, and data range already selected. So I will give the location where I want the sparklines to be, like selecting this range and say OK. So that way also I can insert sparklines at once. And let me just clear this. Also, if I highlight the data like this and come to the quick analysis, and you see I got different options here, but if I go to the end, there are sparklines, and from there I can select sparklines. So that's another way of inserting sparklines. So you can also move them around. So like this, I can move them around. So let me remove this. So now let me insert a sparkline for win-loss. Here. So all are positive. Let's make some of these values negative. I'll put minus. And see it becomes a red value. So that's how you can use Sparklines win-loss type to highlight negative values. So they will appear as red values. They will appear in red and they will be below the positive blue values. So Sparklines are useful when you want to highlight trends. Then you can use them in dashboards. They can be used to show the trend in KPIs. So pretty useful type of chart, but they are different from the regular chart types.
Thanks for watching.